Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple chicken with a cream sauce. You'll have this done in no time, and it's really, really delicious. So we're going to need about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, half a cup of onion. I'm using white onion. In there, I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil that you use is entirely up to you. You can use olive oil, sunflower, you go for whatever you want. Drop in the onion and the garlic. And by the way, we're on a slightly above medium heat. Nothing crazy here. Let's get some salt and some black pepper in there. And I'm going to be using some dried thyme, like a teaspoon. If you want, change that to oregano or like an Italian seasoning, something like that. Let that go for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to take a quick look at our chicken. I've got some chicken breast here. I think it's about 400 grams here. They're quite small. No need to cut them for me. If you want, you can chop it up. I'm going to put them in just as they are. So back to the cooker. You can see that the onions and garlic are just starting to do their thing. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in the chicken breast. So there's no skin, no bone here. These are just fillets. So in they go. And then I'm going to be turning them over, staying on this medium-ish heat, turning them over, flipping them, maybe 4 or 5 times over the next sort of 5 or 6 minutes. So I've got some tomatoes and mushrooms here. Again, this is like 200 grams of mushrooms and maybe a cup of tomatoes, and of course we've got some cream. I'm using this cooking cream. It doesn't matter if it's thick or thin, it's all going to kind of work out as we go along. So I've been flipping these away. They're still not cooked all the way yet, these ones, but what we are going to do now is we're going to drop in the tomatoes. Like I said, I'm using these kind of little cherry tomatoes. You don't have to put these in. You could maybe just get a regular tomato and just chop it up and put it in. And then the mushrooms, which I've kind of sliced fairly chunky. Lid on, let that go for about 4 minutes. Beautiful. Again, I'm going to just stir this around now. And then I'm going to go again for about another 3 or 4 minutes here. Okay, so you can see now that we've got some moisture that's come from the mushrooms mostly, a little bit from the tomatoes. If you didn't get that, don't worry. What we're going to do now is add some cream. I'm going to add 1 cup of the cream, and then we're going to let it go with the lid off now for another 4 to 5 minutes. You've only gone and done it. Beautiful stuff. And all we need to do now is plate that up. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of parsley, or some fresh basil or basil would be really nice. This is excellent with some pasta of your choice. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.